Good morning. I thought I would show you our snow. Even on our covered porch, there's about a foot of snow here. My husband's been doing a good job keeping our walkway clear. We actually got a snowblower from a neighbor last year. Got to use it for the first time. You can see down in the garden, you can't even see my garden beds. Completely covered. And that red mark there, my husband marked that. I think that is 18 inches, or maybe it's a little more than 18 inches. He had a bet with his friend whether we'd get 18 inches all year. And I think we got about 30 inches altogether. I'll give you a look here. Standing outside of my door, see my new porch. It was all finished just in time for the storm. We'll try to go for a walk this morning after breakfast and maybe get a few more clips in case you're in somewhere warm and want to see the snow. You can see my shed. My picnic table. Some ice here. My husband did an awesome job clearing a path. Where the sun hasn't shown yet, it's a little icy. Yeah, this snow here is kind of a drift, so it's like hip deep for me. The end. It's actually pretty nice out right now. Not like yesterday. 40-mile-an-hour wind and torrential snow coming down. An inch an hour. Some places were getting 2 inches of snow an hour.
What? Easy bug? Yeah. You backing up? That sure as hell is not safe. Did he wants to go in there? They got trusses up in there?
Some burrowing animal made its home there.
Huh?
Snow hares, right?
You know how much?
It's like just the tip of the Statue of Liberty on Planet of the Apes. Just enough so you know what's under there. You think I can crawl up it? Think I can get to the top? I can see my house from here. cold.